was a situation where your supervisor, manager, your boss came up to you and said, hey, this is good for you, speaking good on your name. Hey, you, guess what? Today's Sunday. It's your day. That's right. Capricorn-Aquarius, welcome to my channel. Divine Squad, my little subscribers, as always, thank you for your likes, your shares, your subscribes, and your comments, okay? Now, let's get into your Sunday reading, okay? I'm a little nasally today, okay? So, we're having a change of the weather. Went from really hot to chill, cold, so fluctuation in temperature. Got me a little stuffy. Alright, so let me shuffle these up here and see what's going on with your energy now, okay? Don't mind me if I sound like I'm talking through my nose, because I probably am. What are you doing? You guys had a great week? That's right. That's great. I'm glad. Me too. Okay, so sit back, relax, grab your coffee. Do your reading. All right, here's your first two cards of your energy now. Five of Wands. Some kind of arguments, competition, strife. Looks like a battle royal going on. Let's see what's going on with that. Of course, my dog's gotta want to go outside, so pardon me. Surf's up. Just chilling. It's Sunday, right? It's supposed to relax. Alright, Five of Wands. Ooh. Page of Wands. Page of Wands says there's some good news coming in, right? But this good news brings some strife. Some arguments. Okay, so the energy can be switched and the roles can be reversed. Don't forget that. So this could be you, which, you know, this is why I do it. It is your energy, but if it relates to another person, that's how it's going to fit. Okay, so let's get into the next card. Here's your first card of the story. Come on out. Justice. Ooh. Justice, balance, Libra energy, right? Wow. Okay, so. Well, definitely, whatever news this is that created this kind of battle royal, this kind of argument, this kind of strife, this, you know, situation, there is definitely justice to be had, okay? Justice is coming on its way, which means it'll probably resolve this kind of conflict. Oh. Ooh, King of Swords. All right, King of Swords. Look at this guy, ready. I mean, he's like very direct in this communication. He's very highly intuitive as well. But I think the justice comes in from somebody of a King of Swords, somebody who's bold, you know, authoritative a little bit. Very sharp with the tongue. Let's see. pull the next card. I might clarify that one. Not quite sure yet, but let's keep going. Ooh, Knight of Wands. The Knight of Wands. So this is some passionate action taking. Okay, so it's like you're taking action to speak very, very boldly and authoritative about justice, which has to do with this good news coming in that brought some competition. Well, let's reverse the competition and put in conflict. Okay, so you don't sit on this information. You don't sit on this news. You don't let it, it's like you don't join the fight, because there's 5 of Wands here and then the Page of Wands. So that would make another wand. So that would be 6 of Wands, which would be victory and success. But the Justice is you taking the action to really speak the truth and justice, right? Justice. The balance of things. Meaning, whatever this is, it's like you're claiming it to be yours, okay? And other people don't like that idea. Or maybe you were conflicted about speaking about this news, but your justice is that you need to take this action to really effectively communicate, to say that this good news is just about you, okay? Whatever this is, I don't even know. Somebody tells you something, and it either creates an internal conflict, or other people are in like this argumentative kind of clash of the titans kind of deal. Okay. Hello. Let's keep pulling some cards here. Oh boy, 10 of Swords. It's gonna well, burdens, of course, but it's also gonna kind of end any kind of betrayals, any kind of backstabbing, okay? Because now this makes sense with this 5 of Wands next to the 10 of Swords. There was competition in this news, okay? Maybe it was at work. Maybe there was a situation where your supervisor, manager, your boss came up to you and said, hey, this is good for you, speaking good on your name. There's a little offer. It created some kind of conflict in the workplace, but the justice is that you're basically boldly communicating by taking this action in this speech towards these people, ending the betrayals, because maybe some of these people are, you know, the backstabbers, the ones that are in the competition, the ones that are, you know, trying to take this good news for themselves. So maybe it was spoken about into a group, you know, but it was directed towards you. Meaning like other people heard this in this group setting. And it definitely ends any kind of betrayals in this competition and strife and arguments and, you know, being backstabbed, right? Let's keep going. That's judgment, right? This news is yours. Other people heard it. This brings justice to your world because you boldly spoke about some things that you took action on, which really was to end the betrayals in the competition. So you're like, this is mine, this is about me, this is for me, so y'all can just go run away. That's kind of that King of Swords, Knight of Wands energy, right? That ends the betrayal. So it's like you cut off the competition before they can even try to get in to get a piece of this, or think that it's for them or about them, or, you know, something kind of like that. Interesting. Okay, look at that. Boom, boom. Yeah, you're just moving away. Six of Swords says your judgment is to smoothly continue on forward. Maybe you're moving. Maybe this news does bring you a change of environment, right? Maybe you got to move for this kind of offer, this position that created a whole bunch of burdens and strife with other people in your workplace, in your situation. And you're like, nope, this is all about me. This is for me. I'm getting on my horse and I'm taking off. See, Knight of Wands, Six of Swords. You boldly communicate the fact that you're not dealing with these people anymore. Ha ha ha, see you later, I'm out. Your judgment is to smoothly move away from these betrayals or possible almost backstabs, right? Competition that can be kind of fierce. Yeah. So now that you have that Knight of Pentacles with the Six of Swords, you're moving away to slowly start to build your stability, right? So now you're working towards, like I said, relocating. You have a certain amount of time. Maybe now you could take your time packing some things up, moving away, slow and steady. And there's your clarity. There's your truth. Yep. So this good news that definitely comes in gives you some time to, one, knock out the competition. Say deuces, see you later, suckers, I'm out of here. Slowly moving away into a different location, or just you're moving away from all this kind of drama, right? Slowly building your stability with this Knight of Pentacles. So this is the long term. Whatever this news is, it looks like it could be a raise over a certain period of time. Okay, in increments. And the truth is right there for you to see with that Ace of Swords. And now you have that King of Cups. Boom, 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 boom. And now you're loving life. Now you're loving it. Ba, 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 ba. Right? Yeah, this totally immerses you in your self-worth. Right? I mean, you're also recognized for your self-worth, but this definitely makes you feel very, very emotionally stable. Happy. Very, very happy, right? Okay, we got two cards here. Strength. It gives you that strength, right? Happiness and strength. Queen of Pentacles. That's nice. So now you're just focused on your money, right? It's good coffee. Right, so the strength is that you love yourself a whole bunch now, even more. I mean, you did anyways, I'm just saying. This makes you definitely feel emotionally satisfied because your self-worth has been recognized, and your strength, okay? Your strength to end any kind of betrayals caused by this news that comes in, and people are just like fighting about it, even though it's not for them. Go figure, right? So now you're definitely focused on your finances and research. Okay. So now you have the Page of Swords, Queen of Pentacles. So you're focused on your money. Look at her staring at the money. You're focused on building your wealth, which is probably this offer here that comes in and allows you to either relocate or move away from this drama situation, slowly taking that action to build on your long-term stability. The truth is that it makes you very, very happy and courageous to be now really focused, like laser beam focused on your finances and the research that it takes to build those finances. Okay, so you put in the time and the effort and the energy to research, to gather the information on how to, build this opportunity big. And it's definitely about finances. Because we have the only cups out here is that King of Cups. So that's just your self-love, your self-worth. Okay. First card of your outcome is the Eight of Swords. Ooh, trapped in your head a little bit. Overthinking some things. Maybe you're overthinking the research that you need to do to really focus on that finances. Sometimes it can be overwhelming. It really can be, but let's keep going. You're not being left out in the cold with that Five of Pentacles. It's a change in your stability. So the research that you need to do to put in the focus of your building your stability, which is your finances, you're overthinking how to change your stability. So you're overthinking how much research you have to do, how much you have to invest, how much. This is all that overthinking. And when you can narrow it down, that might help you some. Okay, let's pull another card, because you're stuck in your head trying to change your stability, your finances. Or maybe you're worried about being left out in the cold, because you do have to put in the knowledge, the research, the skills on building your, finances, and maybe that is a lot for you. And that worries you about, what if I can't do it now? I'm going to be left out in the cold. I'm going to be shafted. I'm not going to be able to do it. Let me pull another card. The Magician, don't worry about it. You can manifest this change. You can definitely figure out whatever research, whatever information you need to gather to help you build this, okay? So ideas, information, collaboration, talking to other people, gathering all the information yourself, however that's going to fit, you have those tools at your disposal. So don't overthink about feeling that you can't do it and you're going to be, left out in the cold of this opportunity, this information that comes out for you to really move away from this kind of drama workplace situation. Slowly move forward to work on your abundance yourself, by yourself. Let me get one more after this Magician. Yeah, you can do this pretty quick. Magician, Eight of Wands. Don't sweat it. As quickly as this good news comes in about possible relocation, slowly building your kingdom, your finances, your career over a long period of time, don't stress yourself out, because you have the strength and the courage, you have the self-worth and the love of yourself to give yourself that ability to focus on your finances and put in the research necessary to really manifest this quickly. Okay, so as quickly as it came in, as quickly as you can do it. That's basically what it is. So that has been your reading, my friends. A little vague, a little, some details were a little bit for you to, discern, but that's the whole point of this exercise. I use my intuition, I throw it out there, I gave it some details, but then I leave it open a little bit for you to use your intuition. Okay? So, and thanks for coming out, hitting this video, tell your friends, tell your neighbors, tell everybody about my channel, binge my playlists, subscribe if you have not, like the video if you have not. Hey, and I already got memberships out there for you, so if you want to become a member, check that out. Enjoy your coming week ahead. Peace and prayer, my friends. I'll see you again.